We're going to try to make this toy car race at full speed using a regular Chupa Chups. But wait, this isn't just any candy. This is our ticket to space. We're going to turn it into rocket fuel. And that's not all. We're also going to test Tic Tacs, cotton candy, and even straight-up sugar to see which one makes the best fuel for our rocket blocks. Yep, you heard that right. We're using real sugar from a Chupa Chups to create some powerful rocket fuel. Ready to see some science magic? Let's get started. We're melting down the Chupa Chups until it's liquid, carefully mixing it. And you know what? This isn't just melted sugar, it's going to be pure fire. Let's prep this mix for our fuel blocks. All right, the rocket fuel blocks are ready. But guess what? We've got some extra fuel left over, so why not test it out right now? Let's see what this baby can do. And just to make things even crazier, we're gonna light up some regular caramel fuel too, so we can see how our DIY version stacks up. Whoa, look at this! Regular caramel burns like crazy. So much smoke. This is insane. Before we head out to test our fuel on the toy cars, let's fire up 2 more of our rocket blocks right here. Let's start with the Chupa Chups fuel first. Wow, that was insane! The Chupa Chups burned like a real fireball. So much heat and smoke. This is wild. I never thought a simple lollipop could have such a crazy reaction. This is a full-on candy apocalypse. And the sugar fuel block? It gave off a ton of smoke, all directed straight up. Maybe that means the car will shoot off even faster with this one, but we'll find out for sure during the tests. All right, we're heading out to the field where we'll attach these different fuel blocks to the car and see which one makes it race the fastest. We've arrived at the field, and it's time to put our rocket fuel blocks to the ultimate test. Let's see how each one performs. First up, the Chupa Chups. Whoa! The Chupa Chups didn't go very far. It barely moved before it stopped and started smoking like crazy. Not quite the rocket launch we were hoping for. Next up, let's see what the cotton candy can do. All right. The cotton candy made the car move a bit further, but the fuel shot out everywhere. It's clear that we need something more powerful. Check this out! The fuel shot right through! The cotton candy couldn't handle it, and this is what's left. Now it's time for Tic Tacs. Whoa, Tic Tacs gave us a much better result. The car zoomed way farther, though it wasn't perfectly straight. Still, it was pretty awesome to watch. And finally, let's test the plain sugar. Whoa, check this out! The sugar fuel block launched the car in a totally different direction, and it looked absolutely spectacular. If this video hits a ton of likes, we'll come back with even bigger and crazier tests.